I hope I have time to go through all these videos. This bed here is 2-1. It's the second section, first bed. We got asparagus here, and I have this plant here is already above the top, and I wonder, like, you know, for some other plants, like some of these ones, these are pretty big but not huge. This is up to here, right here. Maybe that should get pruned to 1 or something. Maybe this is a sun gold, and I also have some Valentines over there. There's one up to there. Maybe they don't need, like, what am I cutting this? It's just an interesting question, and I think it'd be good to run experiments. So, speaking of experiments, this, a little side note in here. I'm seeing blossom end rot. Is it down here? Is it these? No. I think it was this one. Maybe, I can't tell what it is, of course. I'm assuming at this point that it's a watering thing. They need to have more water. The idea being that if they don't have the water, they can't produce the tomatoes, so they just decide the plant will just not make those tomatoes. But here, for sure, I have some blossom end rot. What was it? This one? This one doesn't look great. This one's coming out now. I don't know what's up with that one. Not those, but some of these other ones. What was it, this? Damn. Oh yeah, here we go. See down there, blossom end rot. But, you know, this one's okay, that one's not. I don't get it. But in terms of experiments, I think what I'm gonna do is set these beds up to be as similar as possible. These two certainly, 2 and 3. Bed 1, of course, is still working on that soil, healing it, getting it to capacity and all that. Getting it workable. But I think if we do 2 and 1, then I could work on blossom and rotten tomatoes, for example, by watering one perfectly, watering the other one perfectly, or so on. I could also just do the same on beds, ignore it, not actually run an official experiment, just see at the end. Wow, this spot did it. I just said, the really got to keep track of it, I think. I do want to nip that shit in the bud, but over here we also have massive tomato too, and that one is indigo kumquat. There's an F1 hybrid, but that's a sun gold. That's the seeds are from this yard, so I don't know. Anyway, there's a little batch of notes. Anything to say about this? No. I'm doing all the beds in that, like over there. It's just all this. Lay it out, put them in the middle, move them around. It doesn't matter. Set it up, and then we're done. None of the sprayers, none of the misters, none of that. I might use that over in those, but anyway, that's big notes.